President John Mahama has cut the sword for the Tema Port expansion.
The $1.5 billion project is being described as the biggest investment made in the maritime sector and expected to make Ghana the hub for maritime transport and boost trade in the sub-region.
Ghana is the second largest economy in West Africa, recording economic growth averaging 5%. The experts say with this anticipated economic growth, trade volume through the port is likely to match GDP. Currently, container traffic at the port stands at about 800,000 TEUs and it's expected to go up to about 1 million TEUs in the ensuing years. Being an oil-producing country now, larger vessels are expected to dock at the country's port. In response to the increasing container traffic at the port, the Meridian Port Services partnered the Ghana Ports and Harbours Authority to sign an MOU in 2014 to expand the Tema Port as a key component of GPHA's master plan to develop the country's seaport infrastructure. The project involves the construction of a 1.4-kilometer quay with 4 deep berths equipped with a sophisticated container handling gantry cranes with terminal operating systems. When the project is completed, the capacity of the Tema Port will quadruple, with the ability to handle the world's biggest container ship carrying up to 18,000 containers. This will eventually increase the container traffic to over 2.2 million TEUs. MPS, with its shareholders and the GPHA, are happy that the expansion project is now on course.
The journey today has seen us travel long and near. Various series of discussions and interactions with our partners. Your Excellency, on a number of occasions, it appeared we're trying to give up. But your guidance and your encouragement has led us where we are today.
This project is what will certainly go down in the history as one of Ghana's biggest and most successful public and private sector partnerships. Meridian Port Services is a partnership between Ghana Ports and Harbour Authority and Meridian Port Holdings, which in turn is a joint venture between APM Terminals and Bolloré Transport and Logistics. Today's event triggers a material start of the execution of the deed signed between Ghana Ports and Harbour Authority and Meridian Port Services back in June 2015.
Transport Minister Fifi Kwete described the expansion as a turning point in the maritime sector, which will open up the economy and increase trade.
This $1.5 billion expansion project being launched today marks a turning point in our bid to position our ports as a trade and investment gateway to the West African sub-region. In addition to providing extra handling facilities, it will expand the capacity to provide additional space for prospective investors in facilities for handling other types of cargo and manufacturing businesses.
President John Mahama said government intends to position Ghana's ports as a trade and investment gateway to West Africa, adding that the road and railway lines will be improved for better cargo handling services across the country and within the sub-region.
The project will significantly increase the capacity of the Tema Port to accommodate some of the world's largest container ships and improve cargo handling services. The completion of this project will make Tema Port one of the most efficient ports with quickest turnaround times in the whole of Africa. The port will be able to handle vessels up to 360 meters long. The current port is able to handle vessels only up to 170 meters. It will also have a capacity to carry up to 20,000 containers. This will boost the port's competitiveness and position it as a leading maritime hub in the whole of the West African sub-region. As part of the expansion project, MPS will expand the Tema motorway into a 6-lane motorway, and it is expected that JICA will provide assistance to develop the Tema end of the motorway into an interchange. Additionally, it has been designed that a direct route from the port to the motorway and vice versa will be developed. The government is working to activate the western and central lines to facilitate the transport of passengers, bulk cargo like oil, cocoa, cement, limestone, manganese, and bauxite to and from the seaports. We must, however, achieve the goal of extending the railway lines across into northern Ghana and then to the landlocked countries of Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger.
With the cutting of the sword by the president, work is expected to be complete in 4 years and phase 1 ready in 2 years. The project is expected to create more than 5,000 new jobs.